Hello again, this is Marvin with the Living in Georgia and South Carolina home team, 404-624-6127. Email us at info@livingingasc.com. For today's video, we are taking a look at this beautiful ranch-style home in Gwinnett County. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath built in 1972 with completely updated finishes throughout the home. This home also sits on a completely furnished, done, finito basement. So I am super excited to tour this beauty. This just came on the market. And if you are interested in more information about this or any listing here in Georgia as well as South Carolina, please click the link at the first pinned comment. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna let you guys tour. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite aspect of the home? One of my favorite things is, of course, the landscaping. This is very nicely done landscaping here. The listing agent is Paul Matihan with Keller Williams, and I want to thank him for allowing me to tour this beautiful community. All right, let's go take a look.
Every time I see you, you make my heart say.
Every time I see you, you make my heart say, ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Every time I see you, you make my heart say, ooh, yeah.